Listen, I know that whenever you watch those famous YouTubers, you think like, I can't be like them, I am not so good looking and camera just doesn't like me. If that's the case, I know how it feels, because I have been through that too. The great thing is that it's 2023 now and you don't need to show your face to actually make money online. So I'm going to give you some real strategies on how to make money online without showing your face. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. So if you're someone who prefers to stay behind the scenes and still wants to make a substantial income, this video is for you. Let's dive right in. So let's start with YouTube. YouTube is a fantastic platform for creators to share their content and generate income. You have several major options to monetize your videos, which include ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. Ad revenue is YouTube's partner program, allows you to earn money from ads shown on your videos. Focus on creating engaging and valuable content to attract viewers and increase ad revenue. Earning money with affiliate marketing means that you need to recommend products or services through affiliate links in your video descriptions. When viewers make a purchase using your links, you earn a commission. Choose products aligned with your content and audience's interests. As for sponsored content, you can collaborate with brands relevant to your niche. You can create sponsored videos where you showcase products, provide reviews, or promote services. Make sure to disclose any sponsored content to maintain transparency with your audience. It is probably the best way to make money from your online content. Sometimes you can even negotiate your paycheck, but it mostly depends on number of your audience. Now let's get to the interesting part. There are a lot of ways to make content without showing your face. First, you have to choose one of the profitable niches. The most profitable niches are health, travel, and finances, so just choose whatever is close to you. Let me give you an example of how it works. You can create a channel where you overview some facts about health, then add sponsored content like medicine advertisements or affiliate links. This simple example is actually a strategy that you can use for any niche you want. Next, use tools that will help you create great content without showing your face. I have several videos about such tools, so make sure to check them out. Link in the top right corner or in the description. Some of those tools use AI technology, so it will be even easier to use them. Here are just a couple of tools you can use: DID, Video, Pictory, and the list goes on. As for YouTube content creation, I need to tell you some key points. Your main goal should be to achieve high click-through rate. It means that whenever a potential viewer sees your video and recommended, he or she will click on it. You can achieve a high click-through rate by creating visually appealing thumbnails and interesting titles for your video. To help you create better content than your competitors, I will provide you with the main rules for creating best content in the next video. Subscribe so you won't miss it. I will explain this as detailed as possible. We have discussed YouTube, but what about other platforms? Many people think of Instagram that it is just a platform where all girls on the planet post their photos. That's kind of true, but it is also one of best platforms in terms of online advertisements and marketing, and you can use it to gain profit. Here are some ways to monetize your content on Instagram. Sponsored posts. Collaborate with brands to create sponsored content on your Instagram feed. Showcase their products or services through high-quality images and engaging captions. Build a strong brand presence and negotiate fair compensation for your sponsored posts. Selling digital products. Create and sell digital products like ebooks, online courses, or presets. Leverage your expertise and provide value to your audience through these digital offerings. Shoutouts and promotions. If you have a substantial following, you can offer shoutouts or promote other accounts for a fee. This works particularly well if you have a niche audience interested in specific topics. Now here are some advices for you on how to create faceless content. But before that, please leave a like. It's the best thing you can do to support me and my content. Use visually appealing images. Since you won't be featuring your face in the content, it's important to create visually compelling and high-quality images. You can even use stock photos or illustrations. Focus on captions and captions overlays. Since your face won't be the main focus, invest time in crafting compelling captions that complement your visuals. Use tools like Canva to create content more efficiently. Utilize hashtags as they are essential for increasing the discoverability of your content. Follow those advices, and your content will be good enough, and you will be able to make money from it. Now let's talk about TikTok. It's a rapidly growing platform where you can showcase your creativity and make money. Here are some examples of what you can do. Similar to YouTube and Instagram, you can collaborate with brands for sponsored content on TikTok. Create entertaining videos that feature their products or services in a unique and engaging way. You can have virtual gifts and donations. TikTok has a feature that allows viewers to send virtual gifts to creators. Accumulate these gifts and convert them into actual income. Engage with your audience and provide compelling content to encourage gifting. Something else is developing your own merchandise, such as branded clothing or accessories, and promoting it through your TikTok videos. Direct your viewers to a website or online store where they can purchase your merchandise. In terms of content creation, here is what you have to do. Embrace trends, keep your videos short and snappy, use eye-catching visuals, and utilize hashtags effectively. One small but very useful advice to you is that you can use TikTok to promote your own YouTube or Instagram content. That could help you to spread your content to people. There you have it. Comprehensive strategies on how to make $20,000 per month without showing your face. We explored the different ways you can monetize your content on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Remember, success in creating internet content comes with dedication, consistency, and providing value to your audience. Find your niche, be authentic, and embrace your creativity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more valuable content. Until next time.